Air fryer barbecue pulled pork potato skins test. Prepare 3 potatoes, poke holes with a fork. Microwave at power level 100 for 10 minutes. Cut in half and take out a portion of the potatoes. Brush with olive oil, sprinkle salt. Air fry at 400 F for 10 minutes. Mix 8 ounces shredded meat with barbecue and black pepper sauces. Fill the potatoes with the shredded pork and shredded cheese. Air fry at 400 F for 3 minutes. Add a dollop of yogurt. Garnish with chopped parsley. Enjoy the food fun. For more product info, please